Hey.
Hey y'all, welcome back to a episode of What We Eating, Ava's Quickies. And what we're gonna do real quick is make old-fashioned stovetop popcorn. This is how my mama used to make it when we were little. We didn't do the microwave bag popcorn. So you just wanna take you a big pot, pour you maybe about 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. It doesn't have to be a whole lot, just a little bit if you want to get in there. Can they see that in here? So just a little bit of oil. Let that get hot. And what I'm doing is just using some Jolly Time popcorn kernels. That's all I'm doing. Using those kernels just like that. See? And this is good for a movie night if you don't want to put your popcorn in the microwave, which I heard is not really healthy to do anyway. But, you know, it's quick, it's convenient, but we're going to do it this way. So let that oil get hot. And you can put 1 kernel in just to test it. It's probably not hot enough just yet, but you can tell when it starts smoking. I'll put that in there. And I think it's hot enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this 1/3 cup popcorn. Yeah, it's hot. So you wanna cover it, okay? And what you wanna do, get the popcorn, baby, is shake it. Make sure you shake it so it won't burn. Keep shaking, and that's the main thing. You just have to keep shaking it. And you know, they still have those other little things that you shake over the stove too. You know, those little, that turn into a big old bubble, like a little globe. But see, the popcorn is popping. So just keep shaking it so it won't burn. Shake it up. All that popcorn is popping. And I think we're done. So quick. And be careful because once you take that off, it's gonna pop. And there you have it. Your popcorn.
This video was brought to you by Sand Dunes.
Look at that. And just put you a little salt on here if you want to. Because this is not salted, so just put just some salt on there. Shake it up a little bit. I also have a little bit of white cheddar, this little popcorn seasoning. So if you want to put that on there too, you sure can. And there you have it. And until next time, I want to thank you, like, and subscribe. Bye.